Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid Touring S in ceramic gray. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and rear cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, hands-free sliding doors, single overhead DVD system by MOPAR, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90801A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.